Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate ores in Minecraft. Item duplication involves using unintended game glitches to create extra resources. While these methods are not official features, they can be quite effective for obtaining more valuable items like diamonds or netherite. It is crucial to understand that these techniques might be patched in future updates. Always create a backup of your world before trying any duplication methods to prevent potential loss of your progress. One common method involves a barrel or chest. First, place your chosen container and put the items you wish to duplicate inside. Next, go into your video settings and maximize options like render distance to intentionally create game lag. Open the container, quickly place your items, and then immediately force quit the game. When you reload your world, you should find the items both in your inventory and still within the barrel, effectively doubling them. Another set of duplication methods relies on precise timing with game mechanics. For instance, certain setups use pistons and redstone to manipulate blocks, causing them to duplicate when broken. There's also a technique involving hoppers and a bundle, where you must remove items at the exact moment they transfer between hoppers. These methods often demand keen observation and quick reflexes. Expect to practice a few times to get the timing just right for consistent results. Before you go, remember a few key points about item duplication. These glitches are not permanent and can be fixed by game updates at any time. While they offer a quick way to gain resources, they can also diminish the challenge and fun of traditional survival gameplay. If you are on a multiplayer server, always check the rules regarding item duplication. It is highly recommended to test any new method in a separate, non-essential world to avoid losing your valuable items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.